Okay, so are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
All right, because today we're diving deep into the world of crypto.
Ooh, sounds exciting.
Yeah, and specifically, we're going to be talking about Blum.
Bloom.
Do you remember them?
Yeah, the hybrid exchange.
Right.
They kind of came out of nowhere earlier this year.
They did. April, I think, was when they launched.
That sounds right.
And everybody's been talking about this Season 2 airdrop that they've got coming up.
Yeah, that's right.
Which we'll get into in just a minute.
Yeah, can't wait.
But first,
Yeah.
there's something else really interesting
Okay.
that has people talking.
Oh, really? What's that?
Well, Bloom recently put out an announcement on X.
On X.
Okay, and there's this screenshot
Ooh, a screenshot.
that sort of hints at a partnership
Okay.
with TON.
Okay, so for those who don't know, TON is Telegram's blockchain project.
Right, exactly.
Okay, so a screenshot hinting at a partnership with TON.
It has everybody wondering what's going on.
Yeah, what is going on?
So maybe we should back up for a second.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, good idea.
You know, I'm sure some people are listening and thinking,
Yeah.
like, wait a minute, what is Bloom again?
What is a hybrid exchange?
Right.
And maybe what even is TON?
Exactly.
Okay.
So let's get everybody on the same page first. So as
Yeah.
we said, Blum launched in April,
Yeah.
and their whole thing is that they're trying to combine
Yeah.
the best of both worlds.
Okay, the best of both worlds. I like that.
So you've got, the decentralized platforms.
Right, like your Uniswap?
Like Uniswap, exactly.
Yeah.
Those are great for security and control,
You really have the power in your own hands.
Right. But they can be a little clunky.
Yeah. Not the easiest to use.
Not super user-friendly.
Not for the average person.
Right.
Exactly.
And then on the other hand, you've got your centralized exchanges.
Yeah. Right. Your Binances, your Coinbases,
Yeah,
Krakens.
exactly.
Those are much easier to use,
They are.
but not as secure.
You're kind of relying on them to keep your stuff safe.
Right, exactly.
And sometimes, sometimes things go wrong,
Yeah.
There
There have been some high-profile hacks.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
So Bloom is trying to bring those two things together.
Trying to strike that balance.
Yeah. The security of a decentralized platform
Yeah.
with the speed and ease of use of a centralized one.
That is the holy grail for so many people
I think it really is.
in the crypto world.
Yeah.
Because everybody's looking for that, right?
Yeah, they are.
Like, how do we
have it all?
Yeah, how do we have our cake and eat it too?
Exactly.
So Bloom's trying to do that.
They're trying.
Okay.
We'll see. We'll see how it goes.
Let's see how it goes.
But, so let's talk about this airdrop.
Hey, yes. Let's get to the airdrop.
For some of our listeners who maybe aren't as deep in the crypto weeds,
Sure. Yeah.
an airdrop is basically when a crypto project gives away tokens.
Right.
It's a way to kind of like drum up some hype.
Kind of like a promo giveaway.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
But this one feels different,
It does feel different, yeah.
especially because of this potential TON partnership.
Especially with TON.
It's like there's more to it.
Yeah, there's something bigger going on here. It's not just about hype.
Right, yeah.
This seems strategic.
It does.
Yeah.
I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
Bloom is pretty new.
Yeah, they are.
They haven't exactly, taken over the world yet.
They haven't taken the market by storm, no?
Right.
I mean, their hybrid model is interesting.
Yeah, it's generated some buzz.
It's got an attention,
Yeah.
but they're not, the biggest player.
Not the top dog, no.
Not yet.
So this airdrop
Yes.
could be a way for them to...
A way to attract new users.
Yeah,
Get a bigger piece of that market share.
exactly.
Yeah.
Especially if they're partnering with TON.
Right, because TON has its own dedicated community.
Yeah, they do.
They have their own fans, their own users.
Right.
So that's a whole new user base.
Right there.
Yeah.
That Bloom could potentially tap into.
Exactly.
And it could position them.
As a gateway to the TON ecosystem.
Exactly.
For people who want to get into that.
If you want to get into TON,
Yeah.
Bloom could be your go-to.
This is how you do it.
Yeah.
Okay, so a lot of potential here.
Lots of potential.
We're still early days, though.
We are.
We don't have all the details.
Not all the details.
No official confirmation
Yet.
on the TON partnership
Right.
or the date of the airdrop.
Yeah. When is it happening?
People are saying next month.
Next month. All right.
But it's all rumors right now.
Rumors at this point.
Yeah.
But, even the fact that we're talking about this,
Yeah. The buzz is real.
it says something.
It does.
That Bloom is already creating this much buzz.
That's a good sign for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, for you listening out there,
Yeah, if you're interested in crypto,
if you're interested in the future of
but if you're
exchanges,
trading,
keep an eye on Blum.
yeah, pay attention.
This is a development worth watching
I think so.
because this could be a signal that things are changing.
Things are always changing in crypto, though.
That's true.
But I think this is a significant change.
I think so too.
This could be a sign that the lines between
Yeah.
centralized and decentralized,
Are starting to blur.
yeah, they're getting blurry.
Maybe hybrid models like Bloom
Yeah.
are the way of the future.
Maybe this is the future.
It's an interesting thought.
It is.
It really is.
It really makes you think.
Makes you wonder,
Like, what does it mean
what does it tell us?
about the bigger picture?
Yeah, what does this move towards hybrid models say
Yeah.
about the direction of the entire crypto space?
Exactly.
Are we seeing a shift
Yeah, like, are priorities changing?
in what people want?
Yeah.
Like maybe security?
Security is always going to be important.
It is.
But maybe ease of use is becoming just as important.
Maybe even more so
Yeah, maybe.
for some people.
Definitely.
Yeah, so
So we'll
Yeah.
see. We'll have to see how this all unfolds.
we'll keep you updated.
We'll keep you updated right here
Right here on the Deep Dive.
on the deep dive.
So much to think about.
So much.
It's going to be fascinating.
It really is a fascinating time to be watching this space.
It is. It really is.
Yeah, buckle up, everybody.
Buckle up.
It's going to be a wild ride
It is.
in the world of crypto.
All right, we'll see you next time
See you next time
for another Deep Dive.
for another deep dive. Bye.
Bye.